Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Let's get into this delicious curry fried shrimp po' boy sandwich. Okay guys, so let's start by marinating our shrimp. I did wash it up in some lemon juice, and I'll be using some garlic and onion powder, chili powder, Old Bay complete seasoning, curry powder, cumin, garam masala, and 1 egg. So what I did was added all the seasoning and spices to the shrimp as well as the egg, mix the combine, and set aside to marinate for about 20 to 30 minutes. So for the breading, I'll be using some all-purpose flour, cornstarch, garlic and onion powder, Old Bay, and complete seasoning. You want to mix everything to combine and set aside. So I decided to use a crab meat sauce for my sandwich. I just thought it would take it to the next level. Here I have some claw crab meat, some sweet relish, mayonnaise, Sriracha hot sauce, ketchup, some lemon juice, and Old Bay seasoning. So basically I just added all the condiments to a bowl to create the sauce, mixed really well, and then I added it to the crab meat. Now while I was mixing everything, I decided to taste it. That's why it's so important to taste your food as you go while cooking, because I realized that the lemon juice was a bit too overpowering and I wanted to cut through that, so I added a bit of honey. I added a teaspoon of honey here, mix that in, and then add the sauce to the crab meat. And it was perfect. Heaven, heaven, heaven. And I tell you, this is great to put on your buns. You could even top your shrimp with it. Anything. It was so good. I can't wait for y'all to try this recipe. Next, we'll go ahead and toast our buns. I'm using hoagie rolls. So I'll put this in a 400-degree oven for about 2 to 3 minutes or so. Now let's start the frying process. You basically just want to coat your shrimp with that breading that we made and just carry on with the same process until you're all out of shrimp and your shrimp are nicely coated. Now, if you are Caribbean, you'll definitely enjoy this recipe. This curry fried shrimp is just next level, and I can't wait for y'all to try it. Now to my preheated skillet, I will add my shrimp, and I'll just add a few at a time so as to not overcrowd the skillet. We will cook these for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium-high heat. You don't want to overcook your shrimp. Shrimp cooks very fast, especially when you're frying them. So once they are fully cooked, in about 3 minutes, you just remove them and carry on with the same process until you're all done. So now we're gonna build our sandwich. What you wanna do is coat the bun with a generous amount of the sauce. Use as much or as little as you like. It's all about personal preference. Once the bun is coated, we'll go ahead and add some tomatoes and lettuce. That's what I'll be using, but feel free to use whatever you like on your sandwich. Once we've added all the ingredients, we're gonna start loading the sandwich with the shrimp. Now, some people like to pack the bun with a whole lot of shrimp, and I find that to be not my style, because the shrimp keeps falling out and there's no way you can open your mouth that big to bite into a sandwich with all that shrimp. So I like to put just enough that is comfortable for me to eat, but feel free to do it however you like. If you want to add a whole load of shrimp on here, go ahead and put as many as you like. But that's it, guys. This is my version of a delicious curry fried shrimp po' boy sandwich with a crab meat sauce. It was absolutely amazing. When I tell you succulent and juicy, I truly enjoy this, and I can't wait for you guys to give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.